The cure for your 21st century anxiety doesn't live in self-help app, mental treatment, or weekend retreat, but in wisdom penned over 2,000 years ago. Emperors, slaves, soldiers, and philosophers of ancient Rome faced the same racing heart, the same sleepless nights, and they just literally vanished their anxiety with the ancient wisdom and practical ways to conquer fear and stress. In this video, you'll learn 3 key Stoic practices that actually vanish your anxiety like it was never exist. By the end, you'll have a blueprint to transform modern panic into ancient calm. Let's dive in. Stoic philosophy begins with a simple thought. That is, some things are within our control and some things are not. The Stoics called this the dichotomy of control, such as your reaction, your thoughts, your action which are controllable. But the weather, the past, the other people's opinion is not in your control. Imagine you're late for an important meeting. Traffic grinds to a halt, your heart pounds, you feel helpless, but here's the Stoic insight. You can't change the traffic, but you can control your breath, your thoughts, your next action. Epictetus, who was once a slave, later a renowned teacher, declared, "It's not what happens to you, but how you react that matters." When your boss criticizes you or your flight is delayed, the external event is outside your control. Your inner choice, to stay calm, to reframe, to respond thoughtfully, is entirely yours. Negative visualization might sound gloomy, but it's actually a gratitude amplifier. Seneca, a Stoic statesman and playwright, recommended vividly imagining the loss of people, possessions, or abilities you cherish. By confronting potential loss, you learn not to take life's blessings for granted. In neuroscience, anticipation of loss triggers anxiety, but when you face that fear in imagination and bring it to completion, your brain downshifts. You realize, I endured that in my mind, and I'm still here, grateful. The anxiety around potential loss shrinks. Next time you catch yourself worrying about a presentation, a relationship, your health, spend 1 minute on negative visualization. You'll rewire your mind from fear of loss to appreciation of the present. Marcus Aurelius, the philosopher king, wrote, "The impediment to action advances action. What stands in the way becomes the way." Instead of roadblocks, see obstacles as stepping stones. Let's take an example. Sarah, a young entrepreneur, tech startup, got rejected by investors. Again and again and again. Instead of despair, she dissected the feedback, improved her pitch, and relaunched stronger. After some week, she secured funding. Her obstacle became her springboard. Pause and write down 1 anxiety trigger you face now. Public speaking, relationship conflict, financial worry. Next to it, ask yourself, how can this make me stronger? That shift in question turns fear into fuel. To become aware of your anxiety, do these small rituals. The 3-minute morning reset. 1. Pause, breathe. 30s. Focus on breath, control what you can. 2. Negative visualization. 60s. Imagine 1 loss, then gratitude. 3. Set an intention. 60s. Identify today's challenge as an opportunity. This quick ritual primes your mind for calm action. At lunch, ask yourself, what's within my control right now? Write 1 thing you're grateful for and 1 obstacle you'll reframe. This micro break resets stress hormones and refocuses your will. Before bed, journal 3 prompts. What stress did I face? How did I respond? What can I improve tomorrow? Celebrate small victories. Let go of regrets. This reflection cements learning and eases nighttime anxiety. I control my mind, not outside events. Every challenge is growth in disguise. I am grateful for what I have now. I meet fear with curiosity. Repeat these whenever anxiety knocks. Anxiety isn't an unbeatable enemy. It's a signal, a chance to practice ancient wisdom in our hectic world. You now have 5 tools. 1. Control your reaction. 2. Use negative visualization. 3. Reframe obstacles as opportunities. 4. Follow the Daily Stoic Routine. 5. Lean on Stoic affirmations. Pick 1 practice, try it today, and share your experience in the comments. If this video helped calm your mind, smash like, subscribe, and ring the bell for daily Stoic insights. Stay still. Stay Stoic.